Let's go.
Yeah. Fresh out the gym. I might flex on the gram. Yeah. My Louis, my boots. Yeah. Yeah. The season on Tim's. Yeah. A few hundred K. Yeah. Hit the cut off the scams. Yeah.
All right, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, man. Today we're gonna talk about Forex with my man, Gerardo. We about to break it down. He finna break it down for y'all, man, on how much money he made off Forex, man. Step by step, how Forex work. I'm gonna let him take over right now, man. So what we about to do is we finna go and check these accounts. So let's do it.
Well. Welcome back to my boys YouTube channel. Happy and grateful to be here with all of you. And what I want to tell you guys is about the software for Forex exchange market. What is Forex exchange market? Basically, is what the banks do. They do trading with the currencies. Which currencies? Euro, USD, the Japanese yen, the money for around the world. So basically, Forex is when the like how can I explain this? Like when the currencies have different gaps of different prices, as you see, for example, the euro is been going down, and the euro and the dollar right now is valued at one. Before it wasn't like that because in Europe the euro was a little bit more higher in value. So basically, that's what we do. As my boy Brandman is showing you in the screen, that's pretty much an audited account for every forex trader, and you can check it out with friends if you have forex traders friends. What is an audited account is basically showing that the numbers that I'm telling you are real in the main account that we managing. We always manage to to make anywhere from 10 to 13% per month. As you can see, that's in the screen. You can check it out. We've been testing this software for 3 years already. We have the track records, the proof. As you can see in there is the TWT MAM account, real account. Also, we use Forex winning broker. We also sponsoring Indy 500 with our good friend Pablo Montoya. You guys can check it out. It's in his Instagram. He also promote because he's a very good friend of ours and an investor also. We use a risk management of 1 to 30, which is the lowest risk management. As you can see, check it out in the screenshot. What the drawdown that we manage is 1.21% drawdown, and the average monthly is 11.43% average monthly returns. The update, you can check it out. Either way, we're going to leave the website so you guys can check it out manually. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment and ask my guy, or you guys can ask me also. So basically, that's what we do. It's a software, like before in the previous years, what
Yeah.
we was doing is like you have to log in your computer, do trading, right? And be awake. It depends if you trade London session or New York session. You have to stay awake, wait for opportunities. What we did with the strategy that we've been making money all these years, we pretty much automated. So the software makes money hands off. It's like a cash flow income. Like I always compare it to real estate. Actually, we have a lot of real estate investors because the percentage that we manage is way more higher than real estate. What most real estate people making a year, we make it in a month. We also gonna be showing later on some accounts, some results to show you that is real. As also you can see in the my forex book website, that's pretty much an audited account. Is to verify that all the numbers and all the stuff that we're talking about right now is 100% true.
Right.
Also,
Okay.
I'm gonna pull it up this account real quick so you guys can check it out. This
Oh,
is
let me
what
see.
we I don't know if you guys can see the number right there, right? And then I'm gonna click in here to check it out, the last month of results that we've been having, right? I'm gonna click in here in the last month. This is the numbers that we've been making. I'm gonna scroll down until the last 6 months. That's all the deposits, all the withdrawals, everything
Wow.
100% legit. I'm gonna switch it up to the last year. This is all the deposit that we've been having. As you can see, it's a real real account. I'm something that I want to show you guys. I want to figure out this so you guys can see that is real life account. You see TWT is the name of the account, which is the one that we've been showing in the my Forex book website, right? Let me put it up. So again, the number that we're managing right now plus all the results. As you can see, we have a total deposit of 62 mil. We have 47 mil in profits and also 55 millions in withdrawals. I show you and I talk a lot about withdrawal. I love them, not just because it's with what I used to spend money, buy stuff, have the luxury lifestyle. It's also so you guys can see the liquidity that we have. Because most of the problems that a lot of people have is they have a lot of money and then they cannot withdraw it. With us, we can withdraw. As you can see, look the numbers in deposits, look the profits, and look the withdrawals. It's pretty much 85 to 90% of the money that is being getting in, getting out because our clients they have their withdrawals. They can withdraw every week, every month. It is no contract attachments. They can just put the money, make the profits, and just get out and run with the back, pretty much.
Oh yeah, that's amazing, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Numbers don't lie, man. So y'all know, y'all see. You know what I mean? Man, that's how you break it down all the way. So as far as like with forex, you know what I mean? Do do I notice people do take losses? Have you took any losses, like big losses or anything from it? Or
Not really, my brother. The minimum percentage that we make per month was 5%. You can check it out in the TWT. Let's show them. Let's show them the
okay,
track record in the TWT, man, with the Forex, my Forex book.
okay,
Yeah, that one.
this one,
No, the one down. That one.
okay,
Exactly. So let's go down. Let's go down, down, down. Check where it says that's 2022. That's the track record for 2020. Let's go 2021 so they can check it out.
okay.
You see, that's the track records that we can see 12% per month, 11%. Let's go to 2020. That's when we start running this software for our clients. We make it publicly. That was the lowest percentage we ever made in 1 month, 5.37%.
Mm,
Also, something very important that I want to talk about that is very important. Can you please go to the 2022 track record? Put where it says January. January.
January.
Yeah.
Okay.
As you guys can see, what happened in January? Well, that was when Putin decided to start the war. And what that caused? A lot of inflation. We was already at 7.2% inflation before the war. Now we are in up to 9 to 10% inflation. What does that mean? Every single person that have money in the bank doing nothing, they pretty much losing money. That's why you always got to have your money working for you. Because if you don't work, if you don't make money while you sleep, you're gonna die working. And
Mm,
also, what happened with the crypto market? Down. What
yeah.
happened with the stock market? Down 50, 60%. As you can see, we managed to stay in profit 7.88%. So that's something that I want to like refresh for you guys so you can check it out how the process works. It's been life changing for me. That's why we're talking about this, because our goal of my boy Bandman Kevo and I is help people make money. You're
Yeah.
gonna say help people have the lifestyle, have the results and the dreams and goals that we've been able to achieve with all these years of hard work and dedication.
Exactly. And y'all, I'm just letting y'all know we are definitely not, trying to be your financial advisors or, you know what I mean, anything like that. We just it's just all entertainment purposes. But like I said, we only showing y'all what we do, and and what we do, it works. So just to put that out there, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so you guys, that's very good. Also, you say we are no financial advisors of any kinds. We just
Yeah.
share with our people what we
What we
do.
do on a daily basis,
Simple. You know what I'm saying? Like it's
entertainment.
like when I tell people, like, oh, there is people tell me, oh, where did you buy that suit? Oh, bro, I buy it in this website. And
Exactly.
people just go buy it. If they
Exactly.
want to get it, they just
Yeah,
get it.
yeah,
If they don't want to get it, they just don't get it. So it's something
exactly.
to put it out there for you guys to know that we only share stuff that we do, simple stuff, like some
Yeah.
businesses that we do in daily basis to make money because that's what it matters.
And like I said, if you guys definitely want to learn more about you know, Forex, you definitely can go link up with him, and he got mentorships and everything. So how do they get in contact with you to actually be able to, like, get a mentorship from and learn more about Forex if they don't know about Forex?
Well, if you guys, you feel free to follow me in social media. My Instagram is Survivor Trade. Only Survivor Trade. Be careful with which one it is because I have a lot of people that is creating fake accounts. Is Survivor Trade. Simple as that. And you can also check my website, which is www.survivorinvestments.com. You can put it, check,
So this it right here, right?
yeah,
Okay, hold on. Let me
yeah.
go to it real quick
Mhm.
for him.
So you guys can
So
check it
y'all
out.
can check that out right now. Let's go to it. So it is this right here.
Yeah,
Okay.
that one.
So y'all can see
Click
this
where
is
it
the
says
left
home.
home.
Exactly. So they can see that's pretty much just my website. There is some videos. There is a little brief explanation about all we do. You're gonna say and show some results. I have private courses, mentorship, the automated trading. I pretty much target everybody, like as much as I can to help them because, like my mentor Dan Peña always told me, more people that you help to make money, better results you're gonna have in life. So
Exactly. Results always win. He just showed y'all the results.
yeah, that's also my social media, my Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is pretty much all the information in there. Like you can check it out. Like I say, www.survivorinvestments.com. And that's also my email. You can check me out there. You can check me out in Instagram. So yeah, for whatever information you guys have, I will be happy to help you guys work you through the entire process and explain you step by step. I also do meetings in person. I live in Florida. So just let me know, guys.
Yeah, for sure. So anything else you want to tell them?
Well, something as an advice that I tell to everybody: listen, put your money to work. It doesn't matter whatever you do in life. Don't waste time because time is the most expensive asset in the world. It's so expensive that you can never get it back. It's
Yes.
better, put your shoes and start running your marathon because you have to pay price of success. Learn everything you can, study as much as you can, meet the best people that you can because that's what's going to help you level up your game and have the dreams that you always been having.
Yeah, and I just like I say, it's a lot of people out here, you know what I mean, that just got banking accounts and they just got their money just sitting in the banking accounts. And you got to realize that, it's not growing, it's just sitting there. And, you might have a bill, you might want to get gas, you might want to get food. And instead of getting taken away when you can actually, you know, get into programs that can actually help you make money. So y'all watch me for a reason. I've been giving y'all great results for years and years and years. Everything that I told y'all about, from credit to everything else, y'all see the results. So, I had to put my mans on here because I seen his results and I'm just like, man, you gotta tell the people who watch me, man, all about this, man, and open up doors for people who is out here chasing success, man. So I had to make sure I put them on here and make sure y'all follow him. You know what I mean? Y'all gonna see more of me and him working together, and we gonna go from there, y'all. You feel me?
Let's go, let's go, let's kill
Let's
it.
go.
2022 is already done.